Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Post hauls, vlogs, DIYs, shopping, all that. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys definitely like that kind of content. And yes, but today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. We got new items, we got my favorite restocks, we got a little bit of everything. Grab a snack, grab a drink, grab whatever, because it might be a long one. So let's just jump into this. And make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss the videos. So the first thing I got is this Home Breeze fragrant room spray. It's in sandalwood musk. It does smell good. So we got that. Then we got the Wacky Bombs green apple scented lip balm. I love this thing. I think it's so adorable. So we just got that. Random restock. Then we got the Beauty Impressions lip balm berries and cream scented lip balm. Got this one. Let's try this one. I remember trying the peaches and cream, but never this one. Sorry, I feel like some of my last couple videos I've been like just trying stuff, so just that's very heavy scent, but goes on nice, so got that. Very, very heavy scent. Then we got this new shower headband, and it's like blue and purple leopard. Love that. Then we got this color, and it's like multicolor. Cute. Then we got some more of the cherry collection. So this is the Shimmer Pine Cream Eyeshadow Stick. How adorable. Cute color. And then we got the Shimmer White Eyeshadow Stick. So that's nice. Then we got the Shimmer Setting Spray, which I love the shimmer. I think it's so cute. And that's natural shine. So we got that. Then we got the medium brown brow pencil and like little built-in spoolie. So we got that. And then we got the clear Ioni Ultra Hold Brow Glue, which this stuff does not mess around. So we got that. Let's keep going. Then we have the blue and white like bow headband. And then we have this really pretty multicolor situation headband. I don't know what my cat's doing. Then we got two hand creams. We got the Sugar Hibiscus by Amber Glow. And then we have the Strawberry Bliss. I'm interested in how these smell, honestly. Okay, this one's the Strawberry Bliss smells really good. If you can get it out. It's kind of the same material. Okay, this does take forever to come out. Okay, it does smell good. So those are those. Sorry, I'm gonna do a whole separate video trying like all Dollar Tree stuff. But anyway, then we got the texturizing wave spray in creamy coconut. And then we got the pink vanilla hand and body lotion. So this one's pink vanilla. And then we got cream caramel. So we got those. Then we got some new nail polishes. So this is by Nicole Miller. It's in this really pretty like orange. Perfect for summer color. So we got that one. Hand cream squirted everywhere. Then we got this Marie Claire. It's like a really pretty pink. And this is in Strawberry is the name of it. Super pretty pink. Then we have this like metallic silver. Then we have this like light like nudie color. And then this one is blue, and it is blueberry. Then the last one is this really pretty yellow. So that is that, and let's keep going. Then we got the little Peep squishy pen. I got the carrot and the Peep knot. They're so cute. So then we got these Great Hair Day 6-pack claw clips. I love these up-down hairstyles, half up, half down, whatever. So, super good. Then we got the creaseless clip set. And how cute is this print, like leopard and zebra and stuff. So, we got that. I got 2 of those because I like them. Then we got some face masks. So we have the ODB Derma Beauty Lavender and Chimo Soothing Facial Mask made in Korea. So we have that one. And then we have the Hibiscus and Vitamin E Hydrating Face Mask. I love Korean face masks. We got more. So we have the Real Coconut Essence Mask, Moisture and Nutrition. Then we have the fresh blueberry, which I'm very excited for. And then we have the Black Snail Ampule Face Mask. Then we have the Derma Prep Collagen and Peptide Firming Intense Serum. We have the Derma Prep Hydrating Intense Cream. And the Firming Intense Serum again. Okay, did not know about 2 of those. Then we got the Real Honey. So I cannot hold it straight. The honey. And then I got 2 more of the Black Snail for gifts. Then we got more hair stuff. So we got these little silky soft scrunchies. You get 4 of them. Then we got these 3 silky soft, which are a little like thicker. So we got those. Then we got these clips, like they're little different like shape. Then we got this face mask, the 1-step, 2-step face mask, which I showed in the other haul. But we got that for a gift. Then we got the Camouflage Liquid Concealer in Cool Light. So we got that. Then we got the Tropical Mango Party Hand Cream. I love the little keychain. Got that. Then, what is this one? Okay, then we got the Strawberry Splash. And we got the 2-pack of Silky Soft Scrunchies, and this one's just black and tan. Then we got some body butters. We got the body butter in Dragon Fruit. Then, we do have this highlighter blush in Carefree. Is that no, Charismatic. Super pretty color. Then we got the body butter in Sweet Melon. And the last one is Yuzu Citrus with Black Pearl Powder. So, yeah, that is that bag. Last bag for this haul. So, we got the Diamond Painting Coaster and this new sunflower. I love it. Then, we got the Glossy Hair Serum, Add Shine smooths, frizz, and restores. I have such frizzy hair, so I cannot wait to try this. So got that. Then we got the Cherry Nourishing Lip Oil. See, some stores it's $1.50 and some is $1.25. So I guess it just depends on the store, I guess. Then this one store had a restock on the little pots of lip oil, and I love it, so we got that one. Everything's falling. Oh, the sun is glaring. Then we got the Peach Smoothing Lip Sugar Scrub. Love this. Then we got the Watermelon Lip Oil. See that? Why is it moving? You see that? Weird. Then we got the remote sleeve for the Roku remote, which I have. So we got the glow-in-the-dark blue. And these were $1.50, but still worth it. And then we got the glow-in-the-dark pink. And the other color was purple, but it was for Amazon Fire Stick, and I don't have one of those. So that is actually it for this bag. So it wasn't a crazy amount in this bag, but still enough. But that is definitely the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Found some new things, my favorite things. Found a lot of this and that. So stay tuned for the next haul because it's all new stuff. So I cannot wait. And I did try hair gel. Can you tell? Kind of worked. Kind of didn't, kind of did. But shout out to Dollar Tree hair gel. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.